At the beginning of episode 62, Yu Hao was sitting in his room when Wang Dang comes running there. Actually, he has found a new soul ring. He comes and tells that he succeeded in what he went for and sits down. So Yu Hao asks him what kind of soul skill he got, to which Wang Dong says, "No, I will not tell you anything right now. After you return from Ryu Academy, I will show you my new technique." Now Yu Hao says, "No problem. I also had something to tell you, but now you also want to keep it a secret, so I will also tell you something. I will not tell you, and only when you tell me about your soul skill will I tell you about my secret." Now Wang Dong does not like to be in dilemma at all. Because of this, he got a little angry, but Yu Hao says, "Don't worry, I am not going to keep this thing suspense," and after this Yu Hao calls the little ice goddess out. Now as soon as the little ice goddess comes out, Wang Dong, the little ice goddess, he was very surprised to see. He says, "Who is this cute little girl?" Although till now the little ice goddess was keeping quiet in fear of Wang Dong, but Wang Dong closes both his hands to bring her closer to him. Now seeing the light emanating from his hand, the little ice goddess goes near him, and then Wang Dong opens his hand and small butterflies come around the little ice goddess. This made the little ice goddess very happy, and she also had a lot of fun. Seeing what was coming, Yu Hao starts saying that maybe now you should not come to your father. Wang Dong gets surprised after hearing this. And while standing he says, "What are you saying? Is this girl yours? But how can this happen?" On this Yu Hao says that this is a very long story. Well then outside there we see that the whole Haoshan sect is shaking right now. It was exactly as if an earthquake was occurring there, but its region was not an earthquake, but actually on the other side, Uncle Titan was calming his anger at the moment when he was releasing his energy. Then Uncle New Tian comes there and says that maybe brother, your anger has not calmed down yet, you are still angry because of losing to Yu Hao and Ice Goddess. On this Uncle Titan says no, now he has forgotten in the matter. But Uncle New Tian was saying that I don't think so. Well, now the scene changes and he again comes to Yu Hao and Wang Dong. Yu Hao had just told everything to Wang Dong, who says, "Wang Dong, after knowing, it's amazing that you have the spiritual soul of 2 of the 3 Arctic kings of the northern region. How big is this?" Yu Hao says, "Yes, you are right, but the ice goddess has not yet gained her full power. It will take a lot of time to get full power." On this Wang Dong says that you do not need to worry, we all are with you, and soon the ice goddess will get her old powers back. By the way, now Yu Hao and Wang Dong had to go back to their respective academy, so now they came to say goodbye to Uncle Titan and Uncle New Tian. They have already packed their things. Before leaving, Uncle Titan told Wang Dong here. They give him a bag in which something was kept, and then he asks him to take care of himself, and then Wang Dong moves ahead from there. He does not even look back. Yu Hao was a little surprised to see this, but then he also immediately said goodbye to Uncle New Tian and Uncle Titan and went there behind Wang Dong. By the time they left, it was already evening, but Hao Tian was about to leave the sect. After that, Wang Dong has not spoken a single word, so Yu Hao is wondering why Wang Dong is so silent, but Yu Hao also does not say anything, but then suddenly Wang Dong stops. Because from here both of them had to go on different paths, he says, "Now you go towards Ryu Academy and I go towards Shrek Academy," after which first Wang Dong moves forward from there, but now again suddenly he stops there and says that I will wait for your return to Shrek Academy. I will also introduce you to my elder sister. Yu Hao was a little surprised, because he doesn't understand this thing, but then after this he also says goodbye and goes away from there. Well, here Wang Dong was just remembering what Uncle Titan had said when he gave him that bag. Then he had told that he had taken Yu Hao's test and Yu Hao passed that test, and at that time he told Wang Dong that you have really made a very good friend. Because of this, Wang Dong did not look back as he was shy. And at the same time, remembering the same thing, Wang Dong shouts that you are very stupid, and at the same time, on the other side, an apple falls on Yu Hao's head. Seeing which he says that maybe someone is remembering me, but no. Who knows who it will be. However, after this in the next scene he had reached Ryu Academy, and from here onwards time starts moving very fast. Meaning, the scenes are shown shifting rapidly from here. The seasons were changing very rapidly, and Yu Hao's progress was also increasing because Yu Hao had taken his studies very seriously. But now he is staying there very rarely because he mostly falls asleep in his class while making new soul guiding tools models. His teacher is also very surprised to see this. But they also take care of him, so much so that within a few months, Yu Hao has progressed so much that the students of Ryu Academy themselves come to him for help. Now here at Ryu Academy, Yu Hao and Keitu's time has come to an end and they have to return. Have to return to Shrek Academy. Yu Hao was just packing his clothes etc. He was saying how time has passed so quickly. I have been here for almost 2.5 years. By now, a lot has changed in Shrek Academy, but he was very excited to see everyone, although he has to return from here the next day and now he wants to see the entire Ryu Academy again, so he goes out from there. He was just roaming around in the academy when he saw Ji Juchen and then he said, Ji Juchen, are you going to leave from here in the academy dress only? On which Yu Hao says that I am not going today, I will leave from here tomorrow. Now Ji Juchen says, as if it is as per your wish, before leaving you can have a sword fight with me once more. You can do it, I have become stronger than before, I will not let you down. He tells that he has trained a lot to fight Yu Hao, and now saying this he folds his hands in front of Yu Hao and requests. Now for one last sword battle, Yu Hao says that okay, I have no problem in this, we can definitely fight but not here because it will cause problems to others. Now for this reason he is in a bamboo forest near Ryu Academy. Let's go. After coming here, both of them were face to face. First of all, Ji Juchen activates his soul rings. Here Yu Hao was still ready for his attack and was watching with full concentration as to when he would attack, but as soon as Ji Juchen attacks, Yu Hao is unable to notice this because Ji Juchen's speed has become much faster than before. When will Ji Juchen come behind him? Yu Hao doesn't even realize this. Just then Ji Juchen points his sword towards him, although Yu Hao sees the sword coming towards him but he just smiles without moving away from him. Actually, he was just taking out the Empress sword from his soul space, and as soon as the sword came out, he now attacked the real Ji Juchen, which Ji Juchen was surprised to see because he did not think that Yu Hao would understand its after effects. We'll find after effects technique is a speed-based technique in which Ji Juchen attacked Yu Hao while maintaining his speed, due to which he was not there. But still Yu Hao felt that he was there, but Yu Hao had also understood the speed and that is why he can also use this kind of technique, hence he had already understood Ji Juchen's attack and moved away from there. By the way, after this, the fight starts again between them. This fight was going on at a very high speed, and here Ji Juchen again tried to use his after effect technique 2-3 more times. But Yu Hao was failing his technique every time, due to which Ji Juchen understood that there was no use in using this technique, hence he had to concentrate on the moves of sword fight, but Yu Hao's skills also now. She has become very good and also has the sword of Empress, due to which Yu Hao was able to fight from long range even in close range battles like sword fight. However, this battle was not like a life and death battle, and after fighting for so long, Ji Juchen had understood that he was not yet at Yu Hao's level. That is why he kept his sword back in its scabbard and said, I hope that this time also you won this fight, but I will not accept defeat. Although now Yu Hao is praising him and says that you have also grown a lot more than before, I can say confidently that you have become much stronger than before because now you know how to use spiritual energy and soul energy together. After this, both of them had returned back to Yu Academy where they were talking to each other in the meantime. Ji Juchen asks Yu Hao about his new sword as well as his new technique. He says that you did not use them in the last battle, but Yu Hao says that it is a new technique. I have just learned these and have not yet mastered them. Ji Juchen says on this that you haven't mastered them yet, but still you can use them so well that you defeat me. I know that you are very strong. Although Yu Hao says that no, it is not so, and this cannot be said until our battle is over. Who is stronger between the two of us though? Ji Juchen says, whatever you say, I have understood that there is a huge difference in the power level of both of us and you are much stronger than me. If we had fought for some more time, you would have won, but don't worry, this does not demotivate me. In fact, this motivates me more to fight with you. I hope that one day we will meet again and complete this fight, Yu Hao says on this. That yes, you will always be welcome in Shrek Academy. You can come whenever you want and challenge me. Now after this, Ji Juchen leaves from there saying that he will meet Yu Hao again. Now after his departure, Yu Hao was saying that only you. Not only have you been motivated by seeing me, you have also motivated me a lot to progress. Thank you for this. Well, only now Yu Hao remembers that he had to go and meet teacher Shan Ziwen. For this, he immediately leaves from there. However, then we notice that Dean Jing Hongqing was watching him from a distance. However, now the scene changes and comes to teacher Shan Ziwen and Yu Hao. Yu Hao had reached there as well. He had also brought with him some papers in which he had written about his ongoing research for the past few months and some new ideas. Now teacher Shan Ziwen was very impressed after seeing them. He says that there is nothing wrong with you, you are really a genius. Although he was a little sad right now, he says, I am sad that you are going back tomorrow. With your leaving, I will dig a genius student. But then Yu Hao coming to him. He says, Master, thank you very much for whatever you have taught me till now, but I still want to learn a lot from you, and if you want, it is still possible to do this. The teacher understands after hearing this and starts saying that you still want me to join Tang sect. On this, Yu Hao says that yes, I have not yet removed that thought from my mind, and I will definitely change your mind. I had decided this when I asked you to join our Tang sect for the first time, although he also says that I have been practicing for many months to get you to say yes to this thing. And I have also made one thing which I want to show you, but for this you will have to trust me. Yu Hao was also thinking in his mind that because of the arrival of the ice goddess, he has now got so much mental power that Yu Hao can also show the image of his soul space to Yu Hao. However, teacher Shan Ziwen says that I have full confidence in you, you can show me whatever you want to show, after which Yu Hao releases his mental energy. And then teacher Shan Ziwen comes to his domain. Here he was able to see the soul guiding tool made by Yu Hao. From its aura they felt that it was a level 9 soul guiding tool, but it was impossible. They said no, it was a level 8 soul guiding tool, but how could this be possible, because they knew how powerful a level 8 soul guiding tool was. It is more powerful, he was saying while getting back to normal here. That a level 8 soul guiding tool can destroy the entire U Academy. Now Yu Hao asks him if he thinks it is fake, to which teacher Shan Ziwen says no, it is not so. It is impossible to create this kind of energy. So I don't think it was fake, although Yu Hao was also thinking in his mind that it's good that teacher Shan Ziwen didn't know about this thing. He tells us that he had used necromancy in this, which teacher Shan Ziwen could not understand. Anyway, Yu Hao will have to reach at least level 70, only then he will be able to complete the inscription of this soul guiding tool. Teacher Shan Ziwen says that I cannot understand from where you got the idea of such a powerful soul guiding tool, which Yu Hao says in reply. I have already told you that the hidden weapons of Tang sect are undoubtedly very weak at the moment, but there is no dearth of potential in those weapons if we combine the hidden weapons of Tang sect with the soul guiding tool. More powerful weapons can be created. Teacher Shan Ziwen says that you have really surprised me today, but I still cannot promise you that I will join the Tang sect. No, but can you give me some knowledge of this weapon? I want to know more about it. On this Yu Hao says that I know your nature very well. You are fond of soul guiding tools and you know about them. You want to know everything and I do not doubt you at all, but I think that your main motive is that you do not want to create such weapons which can kill others in war. Creating soul guiding tools to help the general public. Teacher Shan Ziwen was surprised to hear this because Yu Hao understands him well. A scene from a while ago is shown when teacher Shan Ziwen went to Dean Jing Hongqing with an application. Dean Jing Hongqing had refused to accept that application. It was written in the application that the teachers want to prepare some such soul guiding tools for the people of the empire here which can help them in daily life, but Dean Jing Hongqing says that right now the general public is not aware of such soul guiding tools. There is no need. He believes that making soul guiding tools for war saves time because it can make him stronger. After hearing this, teacher Shan Ziwen gave up his dream. And now remembering this, Yu Hao tells him that you are wrong. I want to make all the soul masters more powerful. With my soul guiding tools, their power will increase even more. This is my dream, but Yu Hao says that it is not as you are saying. Tang sect is exactly the opposite of them. We never focus on making the powerful more powerful because the weaker people need us more. Now this thing made teacher Shan Ziwen think a little. Although he says that I will think about it and tell you, on this Yu Hao says that you can think comfortably. The doors of our Tang sect will always be open for you. After this the scene changes and teacher Ma came to meet Dean Jing Hongqing. He comes here and tells them that the agreement is ending tomorrow, which means the students from Shrek Academy will return tomorrow. On this, Dean Jing Hongqing says that it is a good thing, let them go. Anyway, whatever happens to them after coming out of Ryu Academy, we are not responsible for it, and at the same time, while taking the name of Yu Hao, he smiles evilly. But with this, episode 62 ends here.